Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth and honest reviews of the hottest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best earring set women hoop stud assorted, the Thunaraz 81Pairs small stud earring set. Right out of the box, this set makes a bold statement. You're getting 81 unique pairs of earrings. Yes, 81. Which is a dream come true for any jewelry lover. Whether you're into minimalistic styles or you like to experiment with shapes and designs, this collection has you covered. Think geometric triangles, chic bars, dainty moons, elegant leaves, and charming bows. It's basically a mini jewelry store in one box. Each pair is thoughtfully curated to suit a wide range of occasions. From everyday casual wear to something that elevates a formal outfit, there's an earring in this set for every mood and event. Planning to go to a wedding or a party? There are delicate faux pearl studs and sparkly CZ designs perfect for that. Just heading out in jeans and a tee? Pop in a minimalist triangle or a tiny hoop, and you're good to go. The materials are also worth talking about. The earrings are made from stainless steel and environmentally friendly alloy, which means they're not just stylish, they're designed to be skin-friendly and durable. The backings are mostly snap-back, making them easy to wear and remove without struggling in front of the mirror. In terms of size, the earrings range from around 4mm up to 20mm, giving you a good mix of subtle and noticeable. They are small enough to wear comfortably all day, but with just enough sparkle or design to make you stand out. Whether you're building your jewelry collection or looking for the perfect gift, the Thunaraz set checks all the boxes. And let's not forget the packaging. It arrives neatly organized, making it super convenient to store and pick your pair for the day. No more digging around your drawers looking for a matching earring. It's ideal for both women and men who love switching up their style without breaking the bank. So if you're someone who enjoys variety, values affordability, and wants quality in every pair, the Thunaraz 81Pairs earring set is a no-brainer. It's versatile, stylish, and unbelievably good value for money. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review. See you next time.